Are you tired of feeling stuck in the same place, even though you have big dreams inside your heart? This is Challenge Day 39, and today's message may help you understand why your days look the same, even when your dreams are big and your intentions are good. If you are learning English, trying to improve your life, or searching for a simple system that actually works, stay with me until the end. On this channel, we grow slowly, calmly, and consistently, one day at a time. Take a deep breath, relax your body, and listen carefully. This is not loud motivation. This is quiet truth. Why life doesn't change. Every morning you wake up with hope. You tell yourself that today will be different, that today you will finally start changing your life. But every night you go to bed with the same problems, the same habits, and the same regrets. Let me tell you something important. You are not lazy. You are not broken. You are not weak. You are simply missing one small truth that successful people understood long ago. Today, I want to share that truth with you. The power of 1 hour. What if I told you that just 1 hour a day could slowly change your entire life? Not 5 hours, not 10 hours, just one focused hour. Most people believe that change needs perfect timing, special talent, or massive effort, but that is not true. Real change starts with 1 hour of focused action every day. The problem is not that you don't have time. The problem is that you don't know how to use the time you already have. Welcome to Fluent English with Radio, where small daily actions create big results. Why 1 hour is enough? 1 hour is only 4% of your day. You probably spend more time than that scrolling on your phone or watching videos that don't help your future. But this 1 hour is powerful, not because of the time itself, but because of what it represents. It represents a promise to yourself. It represents belief in your future. It represents the decision to stop waiting and start creating. Successful people understand something very simple. Success is built one day at a time, one habit at a time, 1 hour at a time. They don't wait for perfect conditions. They move forward even when things are not perfect. Small daily habits create big lives. You may admire people like Warren Buffett, Bill Gates, or Oprah. They all have different lives, but they share one habit. They invest time in growth every single day. You don't need to read 5 hours a day like Warren Buffett. You don't need to read 50 books a year like Bill Gates. You only need one focused hour. 1 hour a day becomes 365 hours a year. That is enough time to change how you think, how you speak, and how you live. Most people overestimate what they can do in 1 day and underestimate what they can do in 1 year. English learning. Use your hour wisely. If your goal is to learn English, this 1 hour can change everything. You don't need to study all day. You need to be consistent. Use your hour like this. Listen to English calmly and carefully. Read slowly and clearly. Speak even if you make mistakes. Bad English is better than silent English. If you practice English every day, your brain slowly adapts. Your fear becomes smaller. Your confidence becomes stronger. Consistency does what motivation cannot. Protect your first hour. The most powerful hour of your day is the first one after you wake up. Your mind is clear. your focus is strong, your energy is fresh. But most people give this hour away to their phones, social media, and other people's problems. Successful people protect this hour like treasure. No phone, no news, no scrolling. Just you, your goals, and your growth. When you control your morning, you control your day. When you control your day, you control your life. Clarity before action. Before you use your hour, ask yourself one simple question. What am I building today? Not many things, just one thing. Write it down. Be clear, be simple. Clarity turns effort into progress. Protect your hour. Your hour will be attacked by distractions, messages, calls, excuses. You must protect it. This hour is not free time. It is future building time. When you protect your time, you build self-respect. When you give it away, you lose confidence in yourself. Choose your future over distractions. Learn, practice, reflect. Use part of your hour to learn, use part of it to practice, and then take a few minutes to reflect. Ask yourself, what did I learn today? What went well? What can I improve tomorrow? Small reflection creates big improvement. Motivation comes and goes. Discipline stays. Discipline is doing what you promised yourself even when you don't feel like it. Start small, be consistent. If you miss one day, don't quit, just return the next day. Discipline grows with practice. This is Challenge Day 39, and if you are still here, you are stronger than you think. You don't need to change your whole life today. You only need to protect 1 hour, one calm hour, one focused hour, one honest hour. Subscribe and stay with the challenge and grow with us every day. Your future is built quietly, 1 hour at a time. See you tomorrow. The challenge continues.